Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can configure your signers in Titan Sign, and specifically how to set up conditions so that the right person receives the email to sign this Titan Sign document. So here is my dynamic document. You can see all the fields that will be brought in from Salesforce to this document, and then at the bottom is where the signers will sign this, and I'm going to configure which person in Salesforce signs this by going to the side. You can go to Document Access and then scroll down to Signers, and this is where we can add our signers. So I'm going to call this one my primary contact because that is who I want to have sign it on the opportunity. This document is being triggered from the opportunity in Salesforce, and so therefore I'm going to configure this to come from the opportunity. So what I do is I chose the opportunity, and then I'm going to just set the condition to be where the opportunity ID is equal to the record ID. Now the record ID refers to the record that you are on when you submit this from Salesforce. And so basically we are now saying to pull back the signer from the opportunity that is this opportunity. So I'm going to click apply, and then I'm going to map my fields, and this is where I can then find the primary contact that is on this opportunity. And I believe, let's see if there's a primary contact on this one. Yes. So now I can find my primary contact, and this is in fact a lookup field on my opportunity, and so that's why I can reference the first name of my contact, and I'll do the same thing for the last name and email. Primary contact, and then I can choose their last name, and then the email, again, I'll choose primary contact and email. Apply. And I'll show you this in Salesforce too. I think that is important for understanding what I'm doing here. You can see on my opportunities, if I go to any of them, I have my document generation button. And because I'm clicking on the button on the specific opportunity, we have that record ID. And then when I go to click this here, we're going to preview this document that I have. It's pulling in all the information. So remember over here, if I click apply and finish, all of these fields look like this originally. We mapped them, and because we mapped them to the record ID, it is now pulling in all of the fields on the record ID that we clicked on. So here's all of our data, and then we can also see that Joe Blogs is going to sign this section and Jerry Blogs will sign this section. And that is how you will set up the conditions to solidify who will be signing your documents dynamically in Salesforce. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this video helped. Of course, reach out if you have any further questions.